Hello guys, welcome you all to the cool web. This is my second tutorial regarding the HTML. In the previous tutorial I had shown you guys how the HTML pages would be by giving a simple example. This was a folder that I have created in the previous tutorial, and within this I have created a file, HTML file, that I have shown you guys how it works. So this is the title part and this is the body part that I have shown how the title part would be modified, or how the body part will be modified. So in this tutorial I will gonna tell you guys how to add headings and paragraphs within the body of the HTML and display it in the HTML browser. I will not create a new file, as I'm just gonna modify this file by right clicking and open with. I'm gonna select the open with, and within this I'm gonna select the notepad, and within this I'm gonna modify this HTML code. So before that, you guys need to know a few things regarding the headings. We use a different tags to differentiate between the headings, like H1 to H6 means H1, H2, H3, H4, H5 and H6. These are the different tags that are used, and H1 heading will have the bigger font, and as the number goes on increasing, the font size will be reduced. So that's all. And we will gonna display the paragraphs by using the P tag. So let's start coding. So I'm gonna use the H1 for this. I'm gonna do the cool web. So as I have told you, whichever the tag that has been opened, that must be closed. So this is a paragraph. Within this, whatever you're gonna write, that we're gonna display as it is. It will not gonna even modify the font or something. So it is used for describing something. So I'm gonna write something within this. So I have written a simple statement within this paragraph. So I'm just gonna save the file, and after saving the file, how that could be executed? By just double clicking this HTML file, the file will be displayed. So let me show you the code how it is working. So this is the H1 tag. Within this H1 tag I have written the cool web. So it is displayed in the bold and larger in font, and it will be displayed, and the statements which are written in the paragraph are displayed over here. So what is the difference between H1 and H6? So if you want to know, then I will gonna show you. This is H6. So I can write the same code or the same message of cool web, and we're gonna close the same tag, and let's save this file, and I just have to refresh this file. See, this is the difference between the H1 and H6. I have written the cool web in H1, that is displayed in a bold characters and in a bigger font, but as I write the same word in the H6, that will be displayed in a smaller font with a bold character only, but it's pretty small when compared to the H1 heading. So that's all for today. Next upcoming classes, I'm gonna say regarding the changing the color of colors and making these font as bold, italic, and so on. So please don't forget to subscribe and like the video, if and like the video and share it, please. Thank you.